Hey juniors, this is Mrs. Labar in the counseling office, and I've got some information to share with you about our junior college workshop nights coming up in September. Junior year is the time we want you to start thinking about college or thinking about what's happening after high school. Are you thinking about trade school? Are you thinking about community college? We want to get you information so that you can start searching out the best possibility for you. And the way we did this is we've created these junior college workshop nights for you and your parents to attend. And within each workshop, you're going to hear 3 different presentations covering the following topics: the college search process, ACT and SAT testing schedule, and senior year course planning. Every junior and family that attends will receive a folder with a copy of your transcript, financial aid resource sheet, worksheets on each of those different topics to take home and start planning, and then also a schedule of events that you can do this year, and also different activities you can do to get this process started. Okay, so the college workshop's going to look like this. At 5 o'clock, everybody's going to show up, and session number 1 is going to start. Everybody's going to be joined together in the Performing Arts Center, and we're going to talk about the college search process. Then session 2 and session 3 are exactly the same. Half the group will go to one location, half the group will stay, and then about 6:10 we'll swap. So session 2, you'll either go to ACT or SAT testing, or you'll go to senior year course planning, and then session 3 you'll go to the one that you didn't see, and we'll be done by 6:30. So each workshop is exactly an hour and a half in length. Our dates coming up for these college workshops are Thursday, September 12th is our first one. We've got a 5 o'clock session and a 7 o'clock session. Then on Wednesday, September 18th, same thing, 5 o'clock or 7 o'clock choice. And then on Monday, September 23rd, we have an after school option at 4 p.m. So we want every Blue Valley West junior to sign up for a workshop with at least one parent. This is for juniors and parents, not just for parents. So it's really important. This is one of the things we want you to team up and come together, please. Each workshop is exactly the same, so you should only register for one date and time. We're offering early and late options to try to accommodate as many schedules as possible. And while there are enough spots for everyone, spaces in each session is limited, so that's why we're going to ask you to register. And the registration is located on our Blue Valley West Counseling Canvas page through Eventbrite. And so you'll want to go ahead and register before you come. If you're not able to attend any of the dates, or if you and your parents would prefer to learn at home, all of the presentations will be recorded. Materials are available for download on the Blue Valley West Canvas page as well. So that's it. Now you know about our junior college workshop nights. To register, learn more, visit the Blue Valley West Counseling Canvas page. I've even got a tiny URL that you can type into your browser right now, Junior College Workshop, right there on the page. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact the counseling office, and we'll look forward to seeing you later on this month to talk some college.